What is going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to ride a motorcycle in under a minute. Let's go. So the first thing you got to know is all your controls. Right here, you got your throttle. Right here, you got your front brake. Down here, you have your rear brake. Other side over here, you got your clutch. And then down here on your left foot, you got your gear shift. Simple enough. Those are your controls. To start a bike, you turn the key. Make sure your start switch is selected to on. Pull the clutch in. Make sure it's in neutral. Always pull the clutch in either way. Start the bike. That's how you start a bike. Now, in order to get going, you get onto the bike. Always hold the front brake when you're getting on a bike so it doesn't roll back. Lift your kickstand up. Now what you got to do is you got to get moving. The way you get moving, you push your clutch in, drop it into first gear. Now that you're in gear, you give it a little bit of throttle while letting off the clutch, and that will get you moving. Now you're moving. That's how you ride a motorcycle. At least that's the basics. Obviously this isn't a full tutorial, but at least it's a start. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys ride, and take it easy out there.